Maximized or minimized is called the objective function. Substitute all these values of corner points in the objective function and find which is maximum. That will give us the final answer. Let us convert these inequalities into equalities first. So this is the objective function. Non-negative restrictions, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Basic Mathematics Revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding very simple chapter, that is Linear Programming Problems, LPP. So in this chapter, you are going to get one 5 marks question. So only one 5 marker question. So you will get one 5 marks question, that is solving the given linear programming problem using graphical method. So solving a given LPP graphically. So solving a linear programming problem graphically. So you are going to expect one 5 marks question from this. Now straight away move to the first problem. What is the problem given for 5 marks? Maximize. This is an objective function. The function which is to be maximized or minimized is called the objective function. Here what is given? Maximize z is equal to 5x plus 3y subjected to the constraints. What are the constraints? 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15 and 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 10 and non-negative restrictions. X is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. Now what is the objective function? Here given max z. Maximum of z is equal to 5x plus 3y subjected to constraints. What are the constraints? 3x plus 5y is less than or equal to 15 and 5x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. Now convert these inequalities into equalities. So these are two inequalities. Convert these inequalities into equalities. We can write 3x plus 5y is equal to 15 and 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now solving these two equations, get the points A, B, C, D and plot it on a graph and find out the feasible region, and then from that feasible region we are going to get the solution, that is the maximum of the given objective function. Now let us solve this. Now first equation, 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Now just put x is equal to 0, then this is 0 plus 5y is equal to 15, y is equal to 15 by 5, that's equal to 3. So let us consider the point, first point as x is 0, y is equal to 3. Again put y is equal to 0, if you put y is equal to 0, 3x plus 0 is equal to 15, then 3x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 divided by 3, x is equal to 5. So therefore the other point, call it as A, and another point B is equal to 5 comma 0. The first point is 0 comma 3 and the second point is 5 comma 0. Now similarly for the second equation, what is the second equation? 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. Put x is equal to 0, 2y is equal to 10. Therefore y is equal to 10 by 2, that's equal to 5. So the another point C is equal to 0 comma 5. Similarly put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, 5x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. The point D is equal to x comma y, that is 2 comma 0. So what are the points we got for the first line? This is x, y. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 0, y is equal to 3. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. This is for the first line, right? And for the second equation, what are the points we have? So x, y. So when x is 0, what is y? Y is equal to 5. When y is 0, x is equal to 2. 0 comma 5, 2 comma 0, 0 comma 3, 5 comma 0. So these are the points. So let us represent this on a graph. Now this is x-axis, y-axis 0. Let us consider the scale on x-axis, and y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, right? 1 centimeter. Now this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Now what is the first point? So the first point is when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. 0, x is 0, y is 3. 1, 2, 3. This is A, 0, comma 3. So when x is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y is equal to 0. This is B, 5, comma 0. Now draw a straight line. Now let us join these 2 points. So we are going to get a straight line like this. What is this equation? This is nothing but 3x plus 5y is less than or equal to 15. Since less than or equal to means the feasible region is towards the origin. So the feasible region is towards the origin. Suppose we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, which is less than 15. So therefore the feasible region is towards the origin, which is true. Now the second, what is the second equation? So for the second equation, 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. What are the points we have? So that is, so x is equal to 0, comma 5. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, 3, 4, 5. This is C, 0, comma 5. And what is D? We have D is equal to 2, comma 0. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. This is D, 2, comma 0. So draw this. So what is this line? So this line is 5x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10. So less than or equal to 10 means if you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 10. Less than 10. So therefore it is true. That means the feasible region is towards the origin. So the feasible region is, this is the feasible region, right? This is the feasible. So this is the point E. Now find out what is E. So if you draw the graph on the graph sheet, so these points will give the, these points will give the point E, right? Suppose if you represent this on a graph sheet, you are going to get the points. Otherwise, if you solve these 2 equations, that is 3x plus 5y is equal to 15 and 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. If we solve these 2 equations, the points we are going to get as x comma y is equal to, x is equal to 20 by 19 and y is equal to 45 by 19. So therefore these points are 20 by 19 and 45 by 19. Now, so what are the corner points? So therefore the corner points are, these are the corner points O, A, E and D. These are the corner points. So O 0, comma 0, then A 0, comma 3 and then D. D, what is D? D is 2, comma 0 and E is equal to 20 by 19, comma 45 by 19. Right, 20 by 19 and 45 by 19. Now substitute all these values of corner points in the objective function and find which is maximum. That will give us the final answer. Now, so what are the corner points? So therefore, let us take A. A, what is A? A is 0, comma 3 and D, what is D? 2, comma 0 and what is E? E is 20 by 19, comma 45 by 19. Now write down the corner points and the objective function z is equal to 5x plus 3y. Right, 5x plus 3y. Now at first A 0, comma 3. Substitute here. Z is equal to 5 into 0 plus 3 into 3, that's equal to 9. Now at second point 2, comma 0. 2, comma 0. Z is equal to, what you will get? 5 into 2 plus 3 into 0, that's equal to 10. Right. Now at this is D. at E. What is E? 20 by 19, comma 45 by 19. Substitute here. Z is equal to 5 into 20 by 19 plus 3 into 45 by 19. Simplify this. What you will get? If you simplify, take LCM. 19 is the LCM. 5 2s are 10, 100 plus 45 into 3. 45 into 3 is 135. So this is equal to 235 divided by 19. What is this equal to? So this is approximately equal to 12.36. So this is 235 by 19 approximately equal to 12.36. So which is maximum? This is maximum. That's it. So therefore, this is the maximum value. So therefore the function is maximum. This is maximum. What is maximum? 12.36. That is 235 divided by 19 is the maximum value. Okay. So therefore the maximum value Z maximum is equal to 235 divided by 19, or that is nothing but 12.36 at what are the corner points? At 20 by 19, comma 45 by 19. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Hope you followed. So if you do this much, definitely you will get 5 marks. Very simple method, right? Now move on to the next problem. Minimize. This is minimization. Minimize Z is equal to 3x plus 5y subjected to x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3 and x plus y is greater than or equal to 2 and non-negative restrictions x comma y is greater than or equal to 0. Now let us convert these inequalities into equalities first. So this is the objective function. The objective function is minimize. Minimum Z is equal to 3x plus 5y, and the constraints are x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3 and x plus y is equal to 2. Now convert these inequalities into equalities. The first equation is x plus 3y is equal to 3 and the second equation is x plus y is equal to 2. Now solve this. Put x is equal to 0, then you will get 3y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 by 3, that's equal to 1. So therefore the first point A is equal to 0 comma 1. Now put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, you will get x plus 0 is equal to 3. That means x is equal to 3. Another point B is equal to 3 comma 0. Right. On the other hand, for the second equation, same. Put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Therefore C is equal to 0 comma 2. Now put y is equal to 0. X plus 0 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Therefore D is equal to 2 comma 0. These are the points. Right. So now let us represent these on a graph. So let us write, this is x-axis, y-axis. Consider the suitable scale on x-axis and y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Right. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now first point, what is the first point? A 0 comma 1, x is 0, y is equal to 1, A 0 comma 1, and B 3 comma 0, x is 3, 1, 2, 3 comma 0. Now let us draw the line. This is the straight line. Right. So what is this equation? That is first line, x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3. See, greater than or equal to 3 means, so if you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, which is not greater than or equal to 3. That means this is false. That means the feasible region is above the origin. So keep it in mind, if it is greater than or equal to means the feasible region is above the origin. This origin. So feasible region is above the origin. Now for the second curve. Now what is the second curve here? So when C, that is C. That is x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. So what are the points? C 0 comma 2 and D 2 comma 0. X C 0 comma 2, x is 0, y is 2. So this is C 0 comma 2. D 2 comma 0. This is 2 comma 0. Now draw a line. So this is the line. Now what is this curve? This is x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. This is also greater than or equal to 2 means the feasible region is above the origin. So this is the feasible region. Above the origin means, so that is, this is an unbounded region, right? Now solve this equation. If you solve this equation, so from x plus 3y is equal to 3 and x plus y is equal to 2. Let us subtract this. This becomes minus, minus and minus. Gets cancelled. 3y minus y is 2y is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. Y is equal to 1 by 2. Now, so what is x? X is equal to 2 minus y. That is 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So, therefore, the points x comma y is equal to 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay. So, here this is x is 3 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So, what are the corner points? So, these are the corner points C, E and B. So, these are the corner points. This is an unbounded region. Now, therefore, the corner points are, so C, let us write B first, B 3 comma 0, then C 0 comma 2 and E, what is E? 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now just find out the minimum. So what is the objective function? Minimum of Z. So Z is equal to minimum of Z. Z is equal to 3x plus 5y. Now let us represent this. So corner points and the objective function Z is equal to 3x plus 5y. Now at first point B 3 comma 0, Z is equal to 3 into 3 plus 0, that is equal to 9. First one. Next at what is another point? C 0 comma 2, Z is equal to 3 into 0 is 0 plus 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Next at E, what is E? 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2, Z is equal to 3 into 3 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. 2 is the LCM. 3 3s are 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14 divided by 2, that's equal to 7. So 7. Now what is to find minimum of Z? What is the objective function? Minimum. So here which is the minimum value? 7, 9 and 10. So in 7, 9 and 10 this is the minimum value. So this is the minimum value. So minimum value. 7 is the minimum value. So conclude it. Therefore Z minimum is equal to 7 at what are the points? 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, minimum of Z is 7 at 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. That's it. Right. Now move on to the next problem. Maximize Z is equal to 60x plus 15y subjected to constraints x plus y is less than or equal to 50 and 3x plus y is less than or equal to 90, x and y is greater than or equal to 0. So just convert these inequalities into equalities. We can write. So the given equation can be written as, so let us represent the given equation. So the given equations are x plus y is equal to 50 and 3x plus y is equal to 90. Solve this. If we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 50. Therefore, the point A is equal to 0 comma 50. Similarly, if you put y is equal to 0, then what happens? X is equal to 50. The point B is equal to 50 comma 0. Right. And here, if you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 90, the point C is equal to 0 comma 90. If we put y is equal to 0, then this 3x is equal to 90, x is equal to 90 by 3 is 30 and the point D is equal to 30 comma 0. So these are the points. I'll write the graph. I'll draw this in the next page. This is the graph. Let me consider this. X-axis, y-axis 0. Now let us take the scale. Scale 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10. 1 unit is equal to 10. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Now 1 unit is equal to 10, right? Or 1 centimeter is equal to 10. Now, what is the first point? We have A 0, 50. A 0, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is A 0, 50. B 50, 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50, 0. Right. Now draw the line. So this is a straight line which passes through these 2 points. So what is this equation? First line, x plus y is less than or equal to 50. Less than or equal to 50 means the feasible region is towards the origin. Now let us consider the second points. What are the second points? C. C is 0, 90. X is 0, y is 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is C, 0, 90. Now what is D then? We have D is equal to 30, 0. 10, 20, 30, 0. This is D. 30, 0. Draw this line. So what is this line? So here it is. 3x plus y is less than or equal to 3x plus y is less than or equal to 90. Less than or equal to 90 means the feasible region is towards the origin. Right. Now, this is the feasible region. So, this is the feasible region. This is the point E. Right. This is feasible region. Now, what is E? So, if you draw this on a graph, definitely you will get the values of E as. Solve this. Let me solve this. Solving these two equations, x plus y is equal to 50, 3x plus y is equal to 90. Subtract. This becomes minus 2x is equal to minus 40. X is equal to minus 40 by minus 2 is 20. X is equal to 20. Then y is equal to 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. The points x comma y is equal to 20, 30. So here it is. This is 20, 30. Okay. Now, therefore, the corner points. What are the corner points? So these are the corner points A, E, and D and O. Origin. So the corner points are O. Then it is A, E, and D, right. Now let us draw here. So what is the corner points? Corner points, then objective function z is equal to 60x plus 15y, 60x plus 15y. Substitute here. At 0, 0 you will get 0. Then at A, what is A? A is equal to 0, 50. Z is equal to 0 plus 15 into 50. 15 into 50. So 15 5s are 75. 750. Right. Next. At E. What is E? E 20, 30. Z is equal to 60 into 20 plus 15 into 30. This is 60 into 20 is 12,200 plus 15 into 30, 450. If I add this, 1,650. Now, at last point, what is the last point? We have D. At D, what is D? D is equal to 30, 0. So this is Z is equal to 60 into 30 is equal to 1800. 1800. So what is to find here? What is the objective function? The objective function is maximize of z. So maximum value from this, what is the maximum? First is 750, 1650 and 1800. So this is the maximum value. This is maximum. So therefore the maximum value is 1800 at 30, 0. So therefore conclude this. Z maximum is equal to 1800 at 30, 0. That's it. This is the final answer. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Hope you followed. Very simple and definite sure question. So definitely we'll get one LPP problem 5 marks. So easily you can score 5 marks. 5 marks from LPP and 5 marks from learning course. 10 marks easily you will score. Right. So very simple concept. That's it. Hope you followed. So these are few problems related to LPP for 5 marks. That's all regarding today's session. Let us discuss the different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.